Hey everyone, how's everyone going? Everyone having a awesome and a wonderful day. And on this video, I want to share with you how you can use this amazing software to become successful promoting whatever offers and services that you're promoting, right? Most of the time people, they don't succeed because they don't track their data and they cannot analyze what's actually happening in the back. And if you're especially running solo ads, you need to be checking everything, right? So this awesome software, which is a click magic alternative. I used to use click magic, but soon I realized that I was actually missing something. And when I started using this awesome software, I started seeing success with my solo ads, right? So this awesome software, once you click on the link in the description section below, it will actually take you to this page here, and it's gonna look like this, right? It's gonna look like this. Optin-Dojo and awesome software. And on this one, I'll share with you how I can actually connect everything so it runs in the background, and all you do is just send clicks, and when you actually send click, then you can track everything, like who is actually opening up your emails, who is clicking on the link, right? So you can actually track everything. So very simply, what you're gonna do is go on here, and what you want to do is just get the marketers package, right? This is the one that I've got, and literally you can just sign up for this, get access now, right? Once you do that, you're gonna sign up, and once you have done the signing up, it will actually bring you to this page here, which is where you're actually gonna sign up, right? And in here you're gonna click on the Optin-Dojo marketer, and the very first thing that you're gonna do, it might look very confusing, but I promise you it's not confusing. So in this one, I'll share with you how you can actually connect your funnel to this system, and that way it actually runs in the background, right? All you do is just send clicks, and pretty much the conversion at the back end, you can also see how many clicks have you got and how many conversions have you got out of that as well, right? So what you're gonna do is, first thing first, you're gonna go to funnels and actually connect your funnel, right? The funnel that I use is called HBA. So this is the funnel that I've actually prepared for this training, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'll just go to funnels, right? I'll go to the funnel section and I'll add a funnel, right? Very simply, I'll just name this test, right? Test. And then I will go to your opt-in page. So this is the opt-in page that I'll need, and this is the funnel that I'm using. So this is the funnel. This is an example funnel, right, for this video, right? So I'll put this here. Then I'll go to the bridge page. I won't do the bridge page now, right? But I'll go straight to the affiliate offers, right? Affiliate. So one of the program that I actually promote is this one, HBA. I'll click on it, and this is like a funnel builder tool that I'm also promoting as well, right? So I'll put that in the affiliate section, right? And then what I'll do, I'll save this one, right? I'll save this one, and this is all the pixels that actually giving me now, right? So for the opt-in, I'll copy this one, opt-in script, right? Then I'll go to my funnel, and like this is a easy funnel for me, which I've actually created not so long ago, right? Actually, what I'll do, I'll go back because right? So I'll save this one, and then what I want to do is I want to put that code at the back end, right? So I'll go to funnel settings, I'll go custom code, and then I'll go to the body markup, right? So this is for HBA, and I'll copy that code here and I'll save it, right? After I have saved it, now I will click on this new lead redirect. I want to put that lead direct in here, so I'll click on that. I'll go to the gear settings, right? And I'll put the URL here, right? So actually when someone actually clicks on that, I'll choose that to new tab, and I'll select it, and I'll click out of it, and I'll save it, right? So when someone clicks on this button, it will actually go directly to the offer, right? So another thing I want to set up is also the actual emails, right? Because you want to track your emails. We haven't got a bridge page now, right? So we'll go directly to the emails, and this is something that you're going to set up in your backend in your autoresponder, right? So the one that I actually use is called get response, right? So you're gonna go to get response, and what you want to do, however many you want to set up as your get response, how many autoresponders you want to create. I'll go like 10 emails, right, as an autoresponder on a day-by-day basis. So I'll go to autoresponders, right, and after autoresponders, I'll go to create autoresponder, right? Click autoresponder, and this can be my welcome email, right? And I'll choose whichever list I want then it to go to. Subject line, I'll say welcome. So if anyone actually enters the email, it will actually go in the back end, right? So and I'll existing message, and I'll go for example purpose, I'll click on this one, but it's gonna be like a list, right? So for example, like this is my welcome message as an example, right? What I want to do now is gonna go to emails, and this code, this actual code will go to, I'll go to back, I'll go to custom HTML, and I'll put this code here so it actually tracks everything, right? And this actual link, what you're gonna do is for the links, I'll click on the link and copy this, and I'll paste that for the link in here. Okay, so once he pastes that on get response, I can paste the same link here, right? So that way actually tracks how many people are actually opening up your email, right? So I'll share with you what it actually looks like. So, and on the photo, you can also put that link there as well, right? So just in case if anyone clicks on the photo, it goes directly to your offer, right? As an example. So I'll click that next. Okay. So now it's actually tracking everything. So we have set up your, so for example, for your email opens, you need to put this code into different autoresponders message, right? So it happens automatically. But the link for this one here, you're going to put this on the clicking link on your email, right? So let's test this now. Okay, so for example, I put my another thing you want to do as well. Now I'll actually save this, right? I'll save this. So my funnel is set up now, right? So this is my funnel, right? So funnel is set. After you have set up your funnel, then you're gonna go to traffic. So you're gonna go to traffic, and then you're gonna add a traffic. I'll just name it test, right? So you're gonna save your traffic, and after you have saved your traffic, you're going to go to tracking links and add a tracking link, right? So for example, these are the 3 offers that I'm actually promoting. So I'll just name this test, and the traffic provider, you can actually put their name here. So for example, if I'm using, I'll just name it test solo ad vendor, right? I'll save this. Okay, so this is like the solo ad window, and I'll actually put the date, what date I'm getting the solo ad clicks. For example, 100 clicks, and in here I can put the cost. Like for example, for 100 clicks, he charges us $75, right? And you can just save this. Okay, so for any solo ad that you're actually using, it's good to use this tracking link that you're gonna be giving to the solo ad vendor, right? You're gonna give that to the solo ad vendor. But let's test my funnel, where it actually goes and how it actually correlates, relates to everything that we actually mentioned, right? So where's that tracking link? Let's just see how it works. Okay, so this is the one that we actually got. Now let's test this. So I'll click on this, I'll copy this. Remember, this is 0 now, right? So we're gonna send clicks to this one now, right? See what it actually looks like. So I'll paste that link here. So it opens up, right? So this is my offer page, opt-in page. I'll just put the name and the actual email, right? And then yes, I want access. It will actually go to the straight to the affiliate products, right? So once you have done that, right, if I refresh this one, it's showing here 1 click, right? But I didn't see any opt-in because I've already opt-in to my funnel with that same email. But if I turn this off, you're gonna see 100%, right? But on top of that, you will also receive an email, right? Once you send up your email sequence, you can actually track how many people have, let me make this bigger, right? So in here, you can actually see how many people actually opted into your email system, and how many people open up your email, openers right, clickers right. So I can actually track everything here, right? The clicks that actually is not good. I'll actually turn this on so you can see this full data, right? So you can actually see with which vendor are you actually getting the good email clickers, right? And openers right? This is important that you need to track. And also how many vendors has also get you the sales, right? With these sales, you can also track everything with Optin-Dojo, right? So, and this is a way for you to be able to track everything, so that way you don't lose any money in the long run, right? You want to only be using vendors that actually giving you the best email clickers on the back end and sales, right? And if you're not tracking this data, you're gonna be losing a lot of money, right? So if you're also looking for a awesome funnel builder tool, like a click funnel alternative, the one that I actually use is called the Home Business Academy. And this funnel builder tool actually provides you the funnel on how you can actually create a funnel yourself, right? We have like step-by-step training in here, and also tells you how you can actually send quality traffic into your funnel as well, right? So we have free training in here on the back end as well. And we also have this specific training on solo ads and how you can actually get results with solo ads, right? So if you're not getting results with solo ad, this might be the main reason, because you're not tracking your data. I highly recommend you to get Optin-Dojo. Link will be in the description. If you have any issues, don't understand anything, leave in the comment. I'll do my best to answer your question, and hope this video helped you out. Hope I explained everything right. But again, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll also leave a link for the funnel builder tool, $25 per month that you pay for the funnel builder, and it's an awesome, amazing tool. Thank you again, and my God bless you all.